Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be doing the makeup look which I'm wearing right now. And if you guys want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. First things first, I'm going to start with the foundation. So for foundation today I'm using the Mamaearth Glow Serum foundation. I've been enjoying this foundation a lot lately, especially because of the finish of this foundation. It has a beautiful skin like glowy finish. It just makes your skin look very healthy. And I'm just applying this foundation all over my face and neck, and I absolutely love the finish. For my concealer, I'm using the CoverGirl concealer. This concealer is going to expire in few months, so I'm trying to use it up. The only thing that I do not like about this concealer is that it's really light for me. I like the formulation and everything, but this concealer is quite light for me. It's like a highlighting shade to me, and I just can't use this concealer on the days when I'm not in the mood of putting a lot of makeup, because it just looks very weird because it's extremely light. But on days like today when I'm doing a full face of makeup, I could easily use this concealer because it looks like a highlighting shade. So yeah, I'm trying to grab every opportunity to use this concealer because I just don't want to waste makeup, because makeup is love. To set my face, I'm using this Beauty Bakery loose setting powder. I absolutely love this. I really like the formula of this. It's very fine, and it does a job of setting your face very beautifully, so I enjoy using this powder quite a lot. I'm not setting my entire face, I'm just setting my under eyes because that's the area where I crease the most. But yeah, love this powder. Moving on to the eye makeup. So the focus of today's entire look is going to be on the eyes. So let's just get started, and I'm taking this Colourpop Menage a Moi palette, and the reason why I'm selecting this palette is because it has all these mauve and maroon tones, and as you guys can see, I'm wearing a maroon outfit and I just want to stick to the tones similar to that. And I'm taking this brownie shade right over here and I'm just blending it out all over my lid. And the reason why I'm using this brownie shade is because it's not just a brown, but it has that hints of mauve in it. Like you guys can see it on my lid, it doesn't look like a brown, it looks like a mauvey brown. So that's the reason I selected this palette. And the focus of today's eye makeup look is going to be the kajal, because that is adding a lot in this entire look. So the kajal is the statement in today's look. So for that intense kajal, I'm using this charcoal black long stay kajal pencil from Mamaearth. I absolutely love this one. First of all, it has a beautiful formula. It is very black. It's like intensely black, of course you guys can see, and it is smudge proof and it is waterproof as well, and it glides on very easily onto your eyes, and then after a while it sets and it doesn't smudge at all. It is one of the most long wearing kajals that I own, and also it can stay on your eyes for as long as 11 hours. And the best part about this kajal is it contains castor oil and chamomile oil, and also it comes in with a free sharpener, so that's a plus. And if you guys are interested in buying this product, you guys can use my coupon code PREETHI2022 to get 20% off on Mamaearth's official website and their app. Now Mamaearth also has an app, so you can use my coupon code over there as well. And every time you buy from Mamaearth, they will link your order to a tree that they plant, which is such a great initiative. And Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand, and this product is also available on Nykaa, Amazon and Purple. And then I'm applying some mascara to enhance my eye makeup a bit more. So the eye makeup is done, so let's get back to the face and complete the remaining face makeup. So I'm gonna go in with a blush. I'm skipping bronzer this time. I just don't think I need a bronzer on this look, but of course if you love using a bronzer, you can obviously use that. But for today I'm not using one. And for my blush, I'm using a liquid blush. It's from She Glam. It's called Risky Business. I absolutely love this shade, and it looks absolutely beautiful. It's very lightweight and it's extremely pigmented, so be very light-handed with this blush. So be very light-handed with this blush, because a little goes a long way. So make sure that you don't over apply, otherwise you have to just then apply a little bit of foundation on top to just tone it down a bit, because it's very pigmented. So for my highlighter, I'm using this Colourpop highlighter. Please ignore the highlight of my highlighter because it's looking really bad, and it's a little broken from inside. Actually the highlighter has a very creamy formulation. It's like a putty putty highlighter sort of formulation, and that's why it gets stuck to the mirror on top, and then I have to remove it and then put it back in the pan. But nonetheless, we're talking about the finish and how the highlighter feels, and it feels absolutely amazing, and it looks very, again, skin like. Today's makeup is more like, you know, just a statement black eyes and then focusing on a very healthy glowy skin. So that's how today's makeup look is, and that's why I'm trying to use cream products today, because when you use cream product, there is like no chance of your makeup looking extremely cakey, because you're rarely using some powder. All of these products which I'm using today, even though they are like cream products, but they are not like sticky and tacky. On my lips, I'm applying a mauvey nude sort of a shade, and then I'm applying a bindi. I don't think an Indian look is complete without a bindi. At least to me, bindi is very important. I love wearing bindi, and especially a black one. And today I'm applying bindi little higher than usual. I think this dark eye makeup look and, you know, this bindi and the jhumkas, I think they pair together really well, and it just puts the whole look together, and it looks a little different than my usual traditional makeup look. And I absolutely love this because it is giving a very unique and different vibe, and it just is standing out, and I am so in love with this makeup look. It's so easy, you barely had to do anything, but it looks so put together. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found this helpful. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And also take good care of yourself wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.